Hey, it's Jerry from Module Labs, and today I just wanted to show a quick tip about removing the Teenage Engineering KO2, Medieval or EP40 Rhythm knobs, and also the same for the new KO2 Sidekick. So I know when the initial KO2 shipped, it didn't ship with the knobs on, and then you put them on yourself. But I think lately it seems like they're pre-installed from the factory, and I found that with mine they were on there pretty tight. So I just wanted to show a good kind of safe method that I use to take them off. And that was using this tool here, and it's called a IC chip puller. So this is something used in electronics to pull off a IC or chip right here. So you would kind of put it on either side, grab it, and then gently rock it out just to keep those pins from bending. But it's actually really useful also for removing the knobs. One thing to know is that the ends can be a little bit wiggly, so just trying to keep those together to avoid those from slipping is good. But I'll show just how these knobs can go on pretty tightly from the factory, and also how to remove them from the fader as well. So here we go. So you can see on there, there's a little bit of a gap between the colored ring and the bottom of the knob. So what I would do is kind of grab it close to the jaws so it doesn't wiggle around, and just gently kind of connect it here and pull up a little bit while you're rocking, just a little, and then try rotating it 90 degrees, twisting it and trying it again. And that will let you pull these off pretty easily. They are a little tight, so just take your time, and if it doesn't feel like it's worth it, that's okay too. Here's the next one. I'm just kind of going on either side of the pointer. Sorry, doing this through the camera. You know how it is. Everyone's saying this, but it is true. It's hard to see a little bit. And then with the fader, these are kind of thin on this side. Like, so if you were to grab it like this and rock it that way, that might, be a little bit more fragile. So another tip is to kind of put it all the way up or all the way down, just so that there's that extra plastic around to help you support while you're pulling this away. So I'm going to kind of do it in this direction first. And these are a little easier to take out because it only has 2 instead of 4 kind of prongs on the knob. So it's only using 1 line instead of 2 in all 4 corners. So these are on a little tighter. But that's how I use this. These are a few dollars on Amazon, or actually look today and they're like 85 cents on AliExpress if you're willing to wait a little while for them to arrive. But this is really helpful if you want to take them off and install some third-party knobs. These are some ones that I've designed, and these work for the KO2 and all the EP series instruments. They're the same knobs for both. So these are just kind of some faders and some knobs here. Kind of just push those all down. And this tool can also be used to take these off. So just showing that quickly. Do the same thing. We're rocking just a little bit, pulling, turn it 90 degrees, and those will come out. And you don't have to put these on super hard or anything like that. So you should be able to just kind of pull these off with your fingers. Also, because these have a little bit more grip, and this kind of area where you can kind of have a nice pull off of that. So same thing with these. These aren't really super tight. So these are all tested before I send them out, and if they were too tight, they shouldn't have made it to you. But let me know if you have any trouble with this, and happy KO sidekicking. Peace.